Hi, I'm Alex.
Hi, my name is G.
Hello, my name's Ross.
Hello, my name is Connor.
Hi, my name is Balaz.
And we are
Things We Do.
Hi, my name is Leo and this is my Ronin RS3 Pro. This is my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and let me show you how you can pair them up. Use it just like you would with any sort of professional camera. Use active tracking, all the functions. Stay tuned, I will show you how to build it up step by step. So pretty much you're gonna need everything what's already on the gimbal. So I'm just gonna spin it a couple of times so you have a rough idea what you're gonna need. But don't worry if you are missing anything. I'm just gonna take everything apart. I'm gonna show you the cables, I'm gonna show you all the connections and how to actually set it up. So you will need the RavenEye, one USB-C to HDMI, one standard HDMI to mini HDMI. If you have any cable that's connecting USB-C to mini HDMI, then you're fine with that as well. You're gonna need a USB-C to C. Standard, you're gonna find quite a few of them in the package with the Ronin RS3. Obviously your phone. You will need a phone holder that you can fit on the Ronin system, and you will need a secondary phone. The next step is gonna be, at least in my case, I'm gonna connect the HDMI cables. So as I said before, I'm gonna have USB-C that's connecting to the mini HDMI. Then I'm gonna take the mini HDMI port, connect it with the RavenEye. You're only gonna have one mini HDMI port on it, so you can't miss it. Then on the other end, you are going to connect one end of the USB-C, and the next bit is going to connect at the bottom of the RS3 Pro. Most probably you already seen this setup, you've seen the RavenEye, you've seen the Ronin RS3 Pro, you know how to connect them. Just in case you haven't seen it, you haven't tried, I'm just gonna show you how you connect this bit. So basically you have an easy system, a click-on system. This one is on, you're good to go with mounting the phone on. So now there's one little trick which is going to be really helpful later on. So you need to take your smart pen out of the phone. So first you will start up the RavenEye, then you will connect both of the cables. You will have to balance it just as you would do with a camera. So first, you're just gonna start up the RavenEye. You will press and hold until you will see the red little LED. Then you take your secondary phone. Through the Wi-Fi, you're gonna look for the RavenEye. You can see it's over there. You connect to the RavenEye. You go into the apps. You're just gonna activate the Ronin app. And now because the HDMI is not connected to the phone, you can't see anything, but you start up your gimbal, you make sure that you lock it, then you connect the HDMI, unlock your phone, when you unlock the phone, first what you can see, it's going to go into the desktop mode. So to deactivate that, you're just gonna go and deactivate this DEX function. And now, as you can see, everything is working just fine. If you see the little record button from the phone, if you press that, it's going to record on the phone and it's not going to start the recording on your main phone. So to be able to do that, you basically gonna use the smart pen. On the phone, you're just gonna click on the video. With this little button, you can start and also stop the recording. Basically, this is just the replacement of pressing this button on the secondary phone, which is, I think it's quite handy, really easy to overcome. If you enjoyed this video, you want to see more similar stuff, you want to find out what is all of this over here, like for example this lens cap, like for example this interesting box. Can you see it? Does the focus work? Okay. This box, you want to find out what was inside this box, and you want to find out what is this. No, this is too expensive, I ain't gonna drop it. So in my next video, I'm gonna reveal how can you transform your smartphone into a beast with a beast grip. Stay tuned, consider to subscribe, like, share, and come back for more fun.